Okay, I've had a request to do questions 2 and 3 out of exercise 205 for year 10 general. So in question 2 I have a formula D equals 6 over t plus 1, and what they've given us in the question is that D is 4 and we've got to find t. So that's what I've done. This value of D, I've gone and put it into the formula. Instead of D I've put 4. So now it's a matter of solving that equation. So I notice that what I want, the unknown, see it's there stuck underneath the division sign. So because it's under there, I've got to get it out. The best way that I can, and the quickest way I can see how to do that, is to take reciprocals. Now what's a reciprocal? A reciprocal means 1 over, which is in effect turning a fraction upside down. So that's turn a fraction upside down. Now, if I do it to one side, I've got to do it to the other, which means I need both sides to be fractions, which is why I have turned 4 into 4 over 1, because now it's a fraction. Once I've done that, then I can turn this one upside down and turn this one upside down. That's what I mean, turn the fraction upside down. So I've done that, and now I can have my t plus 1 at the top now, which was great. The next step I need to do is undo this division by 6. See this divide by 6? Well, how do I do the opposite divide by 6? That'd be times by 6. So I'm going to do that to both sides. Once I've done that, that cancels out the divide by 6 on this side. And so that simplifies down to 6 over 4 equals t plus 1. Now what do I do? What's another smart choice to do to both sides? Well, probably the next smart thing to do is do the opposite of this plus 1, which is minus 1. So I'm going to minus 1 off both sides, which is great because then it'll be gone off that side, and then 6 over 4 minus 1 is a half. So that's that one. Number 3, similar situation. You've got a formula and they give you bits. So this V has to go in there, and this R has to go in there and get squared. So I've put them all in. There's the V in there, and there's the R in there, which had to be squared. So the 8 squared is just 64. So I just simplified that on the next line and wrote it as 64 pi times h. Now what do I need to do to both sides? Well, wouldn't it be good if I got rid of this 64 pi, which is being times, so the opposite of that is divide. So that's what we've done there. So if I divide it off this side, I have to divide it off the other. See? Divide on this side, divide on this side. Great. Why is that good? Because look, they're gone now, and I'm just left with h. So plug that into your calculator and you get your value.